Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I am back with another one. I came to show y'all what I do when I'm not wearing my faux edge lock piece or the actual faux edges. So this is the piece that I had created, and when I am at home and I'm not going anywhere, I take the piece off and all my little edges that I made. So this is going to the side because we are not using that today. What I want to show y'all is what I do to treat my alopecia edges when I'm not wearing my faux lock piece or the hairline baby hairs. So guess what? What I do is I go in with my Derma roll. I'm still using my Derma roll when I'm not wearing my pieces on my edges. So I am piercing my hair with these little needles on this Derma roll. Now this is to penetrate the topical layer of the scalp, and this is going to allow puncture wounds in the scalp. That way we can penetrate our hair with the hair regrowth treatment, or AKA the Rogaine. So that is what I'm still using when I'm not currently wearing the faux edges or the baby hairs. So a lot of people always ask, why are you shaving your edges? This is not a razor. It is a Derma roll. This roller spins and it has a lot of micro needles on this roller. So do not mistake this as a razor. I'm not shaving my edges at all. So this is what I still do. When I'm not wearing the pieces, I still go in and I Derma roll my edges. And I just roll it back and forth, and the needles are piercing the skin. Now this does not hurt at all. I'm pushing kind of firmly because I do want to pierce this top layer of the skin. So when I put the hair regrowth treatment on there, or AKA the Rogaine, then it's going to be able to seep through the scalp and reach the hair follicles, and it's going to stimulate growth. Oh yeah, and a lot of people said when I first did these faux lock braids that it looked good like this before I put the faux edges and the baby hairs on. But guess what? Your girl don't go nowhere with her edges blown out in public. That's just not me. It's never been me. I just don't even feel comfortable wearing my hair like that out in public. This is only when I'm at home behind closed doors. I will take my faux edges off or the baby hairs, and I will walk around my house like this. But outside, your girl ain't doing it. I see it all the time. I see y'all ladies at Walmart. Y'all walking around looking like this with your edges blown all out, and you're comfortable. You don't think people is watching. They looking. Because I know I be looking at y'all when y'all out in public. But I have the same condition, but I am not comfortable to wear mine out like that. Yeah, forgive me, charge it to the game, but it's not happening. You can see I have alopecia all across my front of my hairline. And so I Derma roll. And let me get a close-up because my hair is actually starting to grow back. If y'all can see those little hairs in there, these are hairs. You can pull them. These are hairs. So I think the Rogaine is working, because I get a lot of ladies asking me, well, does it work? If y'all go back to the beginning of my channel when I first started, I didn't have no hairline, like none. I could see all these little hairs. Y'all see these little hairs? So I would say, yes, it is working. And I just roll it, like I say, in every direction. I roll it up, I roll it down, I roll it sideways, I roll it however I want to roll it, just as long as you're not catching your hair inside the roller and snatching your hairs out. If you feel it snagging, then only go in one direction, like this. Go down, lift, place, down, lift, place, down, lift, place, down, lift, place. You want to go in one direction. Me, because my hair is short, I just go all over, just like this. And my hair is not snagging. I don't feel any tugging. Well, I do this for like maybe 5 to 7 minutes. All across the hairline. And then once I feel like I've pierced the skin enough where I'm not bleeding or anything, which I've never bled before, but don't do it until you bleed. If you start bleeding, stop. But I like to do this just enough, so I'll know when I put the treatment on there, it's going to go through the skin. So check out the little edges. Y'all see here? I do too. It's growing. All right, so let's put the topical treatment on here. And this could be addicting. Like, when you say you're done and you still keep rolling. Yeah, any of y'all ever do that? Like, okay, I'm done. And you just still keep going? Because you're just trying to make sure you get it right the first time. I know that's why I keep rolling. Because I want to make sure the scalp is penetrated or pierced by this Derma roll. That way I can put this Rogaine up in here. So you want to shake it up first. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Now it does say like put it in the cap. I ain't putting nothing in no cap. I'm putting this directly on my scalp, okay? I don't got time. And I just do it just like this. Let it foam up a little bit like it's doing. And then I just rub it in. Now, how I know, how do you're gonna ask? I'm gonna answer your question. Your question is, how do you know if the Derma roll pierced your skin? Because once you put the Rogaine or this hair regrowth treatment on your edges, you're gonna feel a little tingling. Like right now, I feel a little tingling, almost like a stinging. But that's because the needles on the Derma roll has pierced your skin, and this somehow has alcohol in it, and so. Yeah, that's where the tingling or the, slightly burning sensation is coming from, is from the medication. So that's how you definitely know that you have pierced the skin with the Derma roll really well, and you can feel it going into the skin. So as long as I'm sitting at home, y'all, I'm not using my faux edge, my faux makeshift lock. I'm not using my faux lock. I take this off when I'm at home and I'm not going anywhere, and I just walk around the house like this in the comfort of my own home. Nobody is here but my son. He's probably the only one that sees me, my daughter, or my fiance. Maybe my brother if he come over, but other than that, nobody out in public sees my hair. All right, so now that I have all the hair regrowth treatment, aka the Rogaine, rubbed into my skin, let me get another close-up so y'all can see the hairs. Y'all see that? Now your girl is still a bald-headed scallywag, but guess what? That's what we working on. We working on these edges, baby. And look, I have gray hairs coming out, so my 45 is kicking in on me, y'all. So your girl is getting seasoned along her hair regrowth journey. I'm starting to get gray hair. Ooh, baby. But anyways, this is not what that's about. We are done with the Rogaine. We had just put that in there. Our hair regrowth treatment is done. So this is what the faux locks are looking like without any of the faux edges or the extras, like y'all like to call it. All right, so yeah, you can just leave your hair down, rock it like this, go cook, go watch TV, go wash some clothes, do whatever you're gonna do around your house. Just let that sit on your scalp. You don't want to wash it out. You don't want to do anything. Just leave it in there. You're supposed to apply this 2 times or twice a day, or morning and night before you go to bed. But I put a whole lot on, so normally I only do it 1 time a day, and that's during the morning. I really don't do it at night. Maybe I might remember to do it at night, but I put so much on during the day. I think I put 2 applications on at one time, so I really don't bother about it at night. But other than that, let me do a quick style. Let's see, 'cause I always wear these down. These are the 18-inch faux locks. Butterfly distressed faux locks. I keep forgetting to say that. Let me see if we can put it up in a head wrap real quick for y'all. So what you want to do is, let me throw my head over and see if we can put all this hair up in a ponytail. So I did start out with wrapping the base of my hair with a couple faux locks, but I did change that to this little black band, and that was just to give me a more secure hold. So I started out using this black material. Now this is just a long turban piece of material that I use to wrap my head. If you have not seen any of my turban head wraps tutorials over on my channel, please go over there and check those out. I have plenty, and they're not just in the color black. I have them in multiple different colors. So if that is something that you guys are interested in wrapping your head, and you want to learn how to wrap, just go over to my channel and check a couple of those videos out. All right, so this is it. If y'all like this video, y'all like to see how I did the head wrap, then y'all go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. This is what I do when I'm not wearing my makeshift faux lock or the baby hairs. Let me know what y'all think. Thank y'all for watching. Drop me a comment in the comment section below. If you're new, subscribe. If you're just returning, then welcome back. Stay tuned and thank you for walking out with your girl.